Welcome to ASYN Code. If you're loving these coding tutorials, don't forget to hit subscribe and drop a like. It helps a lot and means the world to me. Assembly Language Loops, NASM x86. This program demonstrates different types of loops in assembly. We'll print a message multiple times using different looping techniques. Alright, this is where we store initialized values. This message will be printed inside the loop. Just a new line character for formatting output. This section is for uninitialized variables. We are reserving 1 byte for our loop counter. This is where the actual execution happens. Every program needs an entry point. This is ours. Using loop for a fixed count loop. Alright, here we're setting up a simple loop that runs exactly 5 times. The loop instruction automatically decreases ECX and checks if it's 0. If it's not 0, it jumps back to the loop label. Setting up our loop to run 5 times. Printing loop iteration. Message length, 14 characters. Load the message address. Print to standard output the screen. sys_write system call. Call the kernel to print the message. Print a new line after each message. New line length. Address of new line character. sys_write system call. Print new line. Decrease ECX and jump back if ECX 0. Conditional loop using CMP and JMP. Here we're manually checking a counter variable. We compare it with 0 and jump based on that. Set the counter variable to 3. Load the counter value. Compare counter with 0. If counter is 0, jump to exit_loop. Printing, loop iteration again. Message length. Message address. Print to screen. sys_write system call. Print the message. Print a new line. New line length. Address of new line character. sys_write system call. Print the new line. Decrease the counter value. Jump back and check the condition again. Exiting the program. We need to exit properly, otherwise, the OS won't know we're done. sys_exit system call. Call the kernel to exit. End of program loops successfully demonstrated. That's all for today, everyone. Like and subscribe for more exciting content.